You have the kitchen that's going to get completely redone, countertops, stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, new lighting.
A plan to convert this aging extended stay hotel into quality Class B apartments.
This is the main bedroom. Carpet, paint, updated bathroom. Then you come up the stairs and you have the second bedroom right here.
It's a strategy Soren Halliday and his team first came up with in 2017 while exploring investment opportunities.
The investors enjoy cap rate arbitrage. The community enjoys much needed attainable housing. Everyone wins.
Since that time, Halliday has been busy leading full-service commercial real estate investment firm PEG Companies in an aggressive pursuit to acquire extended stay hotels in strong markets across the U.S., like this former Habitat Suites in Austin, Texas. The property already resembles apartments and is known for its lush landscaping and wide variety of fruit trees.
Always in bloom, almost like a garden for people looking for rest and relaxation.
Now called the AVIA Sanctuary at Highland Mall, the apartments join PEG's growing portfolio of extended stay conversion properties, all branded under the AVIA name.
It allows us to market our properties the same. It allows us to utilize efficiencies on the property management side.
It's a strategy that's generated national attention over the last year as communities across the country scramble to build desperately needed workforce housing and real estate investors try to capitalize on that need. PEG has been doing this for several years now. Why are other groups just now catching on?
So one of the main reasons is because of COVID.
Halliday says when distress hit, many hoteliers panicked and wanted out. Then, when competitors heard about the asset conversion strategy PEG had already begun executing, they tried to follow suit. The problem is, it's not that easy.
A lot of these groups that we're seeing out there don't recognize the challenges that come with entitlements.
From negotiating with cities over hotel to apartment parking ratios, to coordinating debt, equity, and construction schedules simultaneously and at a highly accelerated pace, these challenges, he says, should not be underestimated.
We're one of the only groups that I'm aware of that have significant experience hospitality-wise. And then on the multifamily side, being able to operate and manage multifamily.
PEG's unique advantage is having deep expertise in every phase of the process and having two of their own property management companies, In-Group Hospitality, a PEG company, and PEG Property Group.
So once we close on the hotel, we bring in our property management team to manage the renovation aspect. At the same time, we'll lease up some of the units to get a little bit of income in, while our construction team starts on renovation on a certain portion of the property. And like a wave, they'll move through the property, and like a wave, we will lease up the property thereafter.
Does PEG always immediately convert every property it acquires?
Because of the current market conditions, we are acquiring and closing on properties once we obtain the multifamily entitlements. So depending on the condition of the property, we will immediately lease up with our pro forma Class B rents, or we'll renovate the property and have lease up occur anywhere from 3 to 6 months down the road.
And when executed right, this strategy benefits communities and investors in layers of ways.
Multifamily product, less risky, great returns.
In Austin with another innovative investment strategy, I'm Allie Monson.